The witness called by Obi and the Labour Party, Lucky Izawado, a senior reporter and editor for Channels Television, is in court in response to two sets of subpoena on the director and CEO of Channels Television on May 30, 2023 and June 6, 2023, respectively. The counsel for INEC, Kemi Pinheiro, and Tinubu Akin Olujimi objected to the admissibility of the witness statement and the competence of the witness on grounds that the statement and evidence should have accompanied the petition when it was filed. They also made reference to paragraph 35 and 36 of the petition, which stipulates that the petitioners would tender video evidence as exhibits and which should have been admitted before now. Counsel for APC Afolabi Fashanu aligned himself with the submissions of the respondents. Counsel for Labour Party Jibrin Okutepa urged the court discountenance the objections of the respondents, stating that once a subpoena is issued to an individual, the person becomes competent to testify in court. He also said that the objections amount to technicality taken too far. The five-man panel led by Justice Haruna Samani reserved ruling on the competence of the witness till judgment. When hearing commenced, Jibrin Okutepa told the court that the witness has two flash drives dated May 30, 2023 and June 6, 2023, which contains evidence of live interviews with the chairman of INEC, Abubakar Mahmood, and another with Festus Okoye, the National Commissioner and the chairman of Information and Voter Education Committee of INEC. Although the respondents objected to the admittance of the flash drives, the court went on to admit it as evidence in the matter. Okutepa, however, asked that the drives be played in open court to ascertain the evidence mentioned, but counsel for Tinubu and APC objected to that move on grounds that they be served the hard drive first to enable them prepare for cross-examination, as playing it would be an infringement of their rights to fair hearing. But counsel for INEC, Pinheiro, held that since the evidence is in court, it should be played. Okutepa therefore urged the court to dismiss the respondent's objection and play the video evidence. However, the five-man panel of justices urged the petitioners to avail the copy of the evidence to the respondents and then adjourned to Saturday, June 10 for further hearing. In the same light, the court adjourned the petition by the Allied People's Movement (APM), which dwells on the double nomination of Tinubu's running mate, Kashim Shettima. The court had, at the last hearing, been informed that the similar matter was resolved by the Supreme Court on the 26th of May, with the justices directing the counsel for APM to seek a copy of the judgment in order to decide whether to proceed with his petition. Lawyer for the APM, Yakubu Mekesua, reported back to the Presidential Election Court on Friday that he is yet to receive a certified true copy of the judgment and prayed the court to adjourn the petition for hearing. The respondents who are not opposed to the adjournment also told the court that they are waiting for the complete copies of the judgment from the five justices that sat on the matter. The Justice Haruna Samani-led panel then adjourned the petition till 19th June for hearing.